What do you do if your dog is in pain? That's a question many pet owners face, and it can be tough to know the right answer. Today, we're going to talk about what you need to know about giving pain relief to your dog, and whether any human pain relievers are safe for them. Dogs, just like people, can feel pain for many reasons. It could be because of an injury, surgery, or even long-term issues like arthritis. But dogs can't tell us they're in pain, so we need to watch for signs. Limping, whimpering, excessive panting, and a loss of appetite are common signals. You might also notice your dog is restless, licking or chewing on a part of its body, or avoiding being touched. These signs are important because they tell us when our dogs need help. Now you might think, if my dog is in pain, can I just give them the same painkillers I would take? The answer is no. You should never give your dog human pain relievers without talking to a vet first. Some human medications can be harmful or even deadly to dogs. Ibuprofen and acetaminophen are two examples of painkillers that are dangerous for dogs. Even in small amounts, these drugs can cause kidney failure, liver damage, or stomach ulcers. They can also cause bleeding, which can be very dangerous. So if we can't give human pain relievers, what can we do? There are safe pain relief options for dogs, and it's important to use medications that are designed specifically for them. One common type of medication is NSAIDs, which stands for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These are often prescribed by veterinarians to help with pain and inflammation. Some examples of NSAIDs for dogs include Rimadyl, Carprofen, Metacam, Meloxicam, and Deramax, Daracoxib. These medications work by blocking chemicals in the body that cause pain and swelling. But while NSAIDs can be helpful, they aren't without risks. Side effects can include vomiting, diarrhea, and a decrease in appetite. In some cases, more serious side effects like kidney damage or liver problems can occur. That's why it's so important to work with your vet when using NSAIDs. If your dog can't take NSAIDs or you're looking for other options, there are alternatives your vet might recommend. For example, corticosteroids can help reduce inflammation, but they work differently than NSAIDs. Other options include tramadol, a pain reliever that affects the brain's perception of pain, and gabapentin, which is used to treat nerve pain. These medications offer different ways to help your dog feel better, but, again, they must be given under your vet's guidance. In addition to prescription medications, some pet owners turn to natural supplements to help relieve their dog's pain. Glucosamine and chondroitin are two supplements often used to help with joint pain, especially in older dogs or dogs with arthritis. These supplements can take a few weeks to show results, but they help support the health of cartilage in the joints. Omega-3 fatty acids are another option that can reduce inflammation and support joint health. Even turmeric, a spice you may already have in your kitchen, has anti-inflammatory properties that can be helpful for dogs with pain. Just make sure to ask your vet before starting any supplements, as even natural remedies can cause problems if not used properly. Understanding the risks of giving human medications to dogs is critical. Many of the pain relievers we take every day can be dangerous to our furry friends. For example, as we mentioned earlier, ibuprofen and acetaminophen can cause serious problems like liver damage and kidney failure in dogs. These medications can also lead to ulcers in the stomach and intestines, and in some cases they can cause internal bleeding. Even if you only give your dog a small amount of these drugs, it can still be harmful. This is why it's so important to avoid giving any human medications to your dog unless your vet says it's okay. Another risk of using human medications is that the dosage can be tricky. Even if a drug is safe for dogs, giving too much or too little can cause problems. Giving too much medication can result in dangerous side effects, while giving too little might not provide enough pain relief. That's why you should always talk to your vet about the correct dosage for your dog based on their weight, age, and overall health. Vets can also monitor your dog to ensure they aren't experiencing side effects. Consulting with your vet is not just important when your dog is already in pain, it's a key part of keeping your dog safe in the long run. When your dog is hurting, the first thing you should do is reach out to your veterinarian. They can perform an exam to find out what's causing the pain and recommend the best treatment. If your dog needs surgery, your vet will help you manage their pain during recovery. It's important to follow your vet's instructions closely and keep an eye on your dog's behavior. If you notice any changes like vomiting, diarrhea, or increased discomfort, you should contact your vet immediately. as these could be signs of a bad reaction to the medication. Emergency situations can arise if your dog accidentally ingests something harmful, including human medications. If your dog shows signs of poisoning, such as vomiting, seizures, or difficulty breathing, it's important to act quickly. Get your dog to the vet right away. In some cases, inducing vomiting may be necessary to get the poison out of their system, but this should only be done under a vet's guidance. Some poisons can cause more harm if your dog vomits, so you should never try to induce vomiting on your own without talking to a professional first. While many human pain relievers are dangerous for dogs, there are a few that might be safe if prescribed by a vet. For example, acetaminophen, also known as Tylenol, can sometimes be given to dogs under a vet's supervision. Tramadol is another pain reliever that can be safe for dogs in certain situations. But remember, these drugs must always be given with a prescription and the correct dosage from your vet. Frequently, pet owners wonder if there are any over-the-counter options for pain relief that are safe for dogs. The truth is, there aren't many. Even common painkillers like aspirin should only be given to dogs if your vet tells you it's safe. Over-the-counter medications designed for humans are not meant for dogs, and they can have unexpected and dangerous effects. When it comes to your dog's health, it's better to be safe than sorry. Hey, real quick, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel BarkyDogToys, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more useful guides like this to you. Oh, before I forget, be sure to check out the description below and the pinned comment for any links or resources mentioned here. Now let's get back to the video. If you want to manage your dog's pain at home without using prescription medications, there are some things you can do. For example, physical therapy, massage, and acupuncture can help some dogs with pain, especially if they have chronic conditions like arthritis. You can also use heat or cold therapy, depending on the type of pain. Heat can help with stiff muscles, while cold can reduce inflammation and swelling. Keeping your dog at a healthy weight and giving them a comfy place to rest can also make a big difference. In an emergency, if you need to provide immediate pain relief, it's important to consult with your vet first. Even though some pain relievers like aspirin can be safe for dogs, you still need to be cautious about the dosage. If your dog is in immediate pain, applying a cold compress to the affected area can help reduce swelling. But remember, emergency situations require prompt veterinary care, so don't hesitate to seek professional help. Natural remedies are another option that many pet owners explore for pain relief. Turmeric, as mentioned earlier, is a popular choice because it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Other options include ginger and omega-3 fatty acids, which can also help reduce inflammation. Massage and acupuncture are other natural ways to help relieve your dog's pain. But just like with medications, you should talk to your vet before trying any natural remedies to make sure they're safe for your dog. In the end, keeping your dog pain-free is all about making safe, informed choices. Always consult your vet before giving your dog any medication, whether it's prescription, over-the-counter, or natural. By staying informed and being cautious, you can help your dog live a happy, comfortable life free of unnecessary pain.